Hello, my name is Katrina. I've recently completed a postgraduate degree in medieval studies, but I've always had a love of learning from all subjects. I recently watched a video given by Dr. Dot, a scientist who has experience educating children and adults. Today, I'm going to try her lava lamps. If you like what you see, why not join her online science club, given in the comments below. So to start off with, I have gathered my equipment. As you can see, I have a glass jar with the lid, some oil, which I just use for cooking. I've got a mug of water. I've got food colouring, some blue and green. For this experiment, it's quite nice to have different colours. It also calls for a pipette. This is just a medicine dropper, but it works just as well. And I've got some Alka-Seltzer tablets. They're fizzy tablets, which is essential to get the reaction going. So first of all, I've washed my hands, I've gathered my equipment, and I've cleaned my work surface. And then, to start off with the experiment, I need to pour oil into my jar. About 3/4 will do. I then need to add some water after making sure that the lid is carefully on this. Not all the way, but enough to get the reaction going. And you will see that there's some bubbles in there. At the moment they're stationary. There's been a couple that have gone up. But more noticeably, you can see that the oil floats to the top of the water. And this is because the oil and water are immiscible. They are liquids that do not mix when mixed together. But my question to you is that, can you think of any liquids that are miscible, liquids that do mix? In this case, water is denser than oil, which is why the two haven't mixed. A miscible liquid is where they both have the same density, so they are able to mix. So the next step calls for me to add some food colouring to my liquid. First, I'm going to add the blue, just a few drops. And can you see them? They're going to the bottom. And then I'm going to just wash that in the mug of water that I've got. I don't need it again, so it's fine, but I don't want to contaminate the other food colouring. And then I've got some green food colouring, and I'm going to again get the pipette and just add some more to my mixture, so you can see that they're going to the bottom. Okay, the next step, again making sure that everything is screwed on tight. It says to drop in the fizzy tablet. So I need to get one of these. If you find it difficult to open stuff, do not be afraid to ask for help. So I'm dropping my tablet into the water, and it should, on its own accord, start to fizz. Can you see the chemical reaction already? So this chemical reaction between what is in the fizzy tablet and the water makes little bubbles of gas, which we can see, that bring the coloured water up through the oil layers and back down again. Isn't that amazing? This reminds me of the fizzy pop that the BFG has. Okay, so that is the end of my video. If you've liked it, please press like, and also please follow Dr. Dot Science Club. It's only £10 a month, but then that will increase, so you need to sign up now. Thank you.